In this video, I'll show you how to use PowerShell Pro Tools or Visual Studio Code to convert C# to PowerShell. PowerShell Pro Tools uses a best effort conversion engine to convert between C# and PowerShell. Although it may not be perfect, it will save you a lot of time typing by converting many of the things from C# to PowerShell. In this example, I have a public class utilities that has a single method called generateString. It's creating a new random, and then it's calling random.next to get the next value, and then finally it's outputting that next value as a string. So what we can do here is we can actually highlight all this C# code here, and then issue the Convert to PowerShell command from PowerShell Pro Tools. As you can see, it's now created a PowerShell 5 PowerShell class called Utilities. It has a generateString method that also creates a random and then calls next and toString, just as you would with C#, but now it's running it in PowerShell. So in this video, we went over how to convert C# to PowerShell.